Hey there! Ever wondered why driving at night feels more challenging? Let's dive into why night driving is riskier than you think. First off, visibility. Your vision is limited to the reach of your headlights. This means less reaction time for unexpected obstacles like animals, pedestrians, or even stalled cars. And let's not forget about the blinding glare from oncoming traffic. Then there's fatigue. You're more likely to feel sleepy during nighttime. Your body's natural circadian rhythm wants you to rest, not drive. Ever felt your eyelids getting heavy on those late-night trips? Yeah, it's not just you. Next up, compromised depth perception. In low-light conditions, judging distances becomes tougher. This can lead to misjudging the speed and distance of other vehicles, making lane changes and overtaking more hazardous. Another big challenge? Impaired drivers. Statistically, there's a higher chance of encountering drunk or drowsy drivers at night. This makes nighttime driving inherently riskier. Also, think about the road design and lighting conditions. Not all roads are well lit, and poorly marked lanes can add to the confusion. Those dark, winding roads, they're a recipe for disaster if you're not extra cautious. And lastly, wildlife. Many animals are nocturnal, so you're more likely to have a deer or other critters dart in front of your car at night. So how can you stay safe? Drive slower, keep a safe distance, use your high beams wisely, and most importantly, stay alert. Night driving can be daunting, but with a few precautions you can make it safer for yourself and others. Thanks for tuning in. Drive safe out there. Safe.